Are you looking for how to delete stories on TikTok? You are watching the right video. Hi guys, my name is Claridan and you are watching Learn with Claridan. In this video, I am going to show you how you can delete stories on TikTok. So if you've been wondering how you can delete stories on TikTok, you are watching the right video. I know with the new TikTok updates, deleting stories on TikTok is now looking impossible, but it is not. I am going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can delete stories on TikTok. But before we go on, I'd like to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video just like this one. Stay with me. So the first thing you want to do is go to your TikTok account. So here is my TikTok account, Claridan TV. So what you want to do is click on the story. So because I don't have any story, I'm just going to post a quick story quickly. You can see my story is posting. Why it's taking so much time? All right, your story was uploaded. So after posting the story, or if you already have the story posted, the next thing you want to do is click on the profile picture icon at the top to view your story. All right, so this is my story posted 5 seconds ago. So you can see there is no button here to delete. This button is to post a new story, and this one is to close. So how do we delete this picture on TikTok story? So how do we delete stories on TikTok? So what you want to do here is swipe up just like this. So you want to swipe up of it on your screen. So when you swipe up, you can see it says no viewers yet. And at this side of the screen, it says delete. You can see the delete icon at the top. So when you click on the delete icon, just like this, it's going to say delete this story, as you can see. So what you want to do here is click on delete, and your story has been deleted. So it's quite easy, guys. So all you need to do is follow this process and you'll be able to delete any story you posted on your TikTok. So guys, I hope you find this video interesting. If you did, I'd like to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video just like this one. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you in my next video.